The adage, work should not depend on a single person, is often heard in the business world, emphasizing the importance of collaborative effort and system redundancy. This notion posits that an operation or task should never hinge solely on the capabilities or presence of one individual. While this perspective has many merits, it also presents some challenges. Let's delve into the pros and cons to provide a well-rounded understanding. Pros: risk mitigation. Having a single point of failure is a risk no organization can afford. If an employee falls sick, resigns, or is otherwise unavailable, the work can go on unhindered if responsibilities are distributed. Enhanced productivity. A team approach often yields better results because of the variety of skills and perspectives brought to the table. Collaboration can produce more innovative solutions. Work-life balance. When work is not dependent on a single individual, there's less pressure on that person, leading to a better work-life balance. This is crucial for employee well-being and long-term job satisfaction. Knowledge sharing. A team-based approach encourages skill and knowledge transfer among team members, enriching the entire group's competency. Leadership development. With a team-oriented approach, more members get the opportunity to take on leadership roles, even if temporary, fostering an environment that is conducive to growth and skill development. Cons: reduced accountability. When a task is everyone's responsibility, there's a risk that it becomes no one's responsibility. This diffusion of accountability can sometimes lead to poor execution. Communication challenges. More people involved often means more complexity in communication, increasing the chances of misunderstandings or conflicts. Decision-making delays. A collective approach can slow down the decision-making process, especially if the team has differing opinions or conflicts. Resource-intensive. Training multiple employees for tasks or roles can consume more time and resources than relying on a single specialized individual. Over-collaboration. Sometimes, an expert in that area is the best person to solve a specific problem. Too much collaboration can dilute the influence of expertise, leading to suboptimal solutions. Conclusion: the idea that work should not depend on a single person is compelling for risk mitigation, productivity, and employee well-being. However, the approach has its downsides, like potential communication mishaps and dilution of accountability. Businesses must weigh these factors carefully and possibly adopt a hybrid approach that capitalizes on the strengths of both individual and collective efforts. By adopting a balanced strategy, organizations can get the best of both worlds, promoting resilience and fostering innovation while still recognizing and utilizing individual talents effectively.